This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 9 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This bit we're doing now, the little bit in there that's actually really huge in real life. But yes, we're moving from the palm back onto the back, looking at the Gardener versus the Hulk. I know the Hulk, don't know the Gardener. I have read some of the comics years ago, but not recently and not in a big way. So I'm aware of some characters that aren't in the movies, but not all of them by any stretch. But if you want to read all of those, feel free. Assume that's the Gardener, but could be anybody as far as I know. There we go. Right, so the back of the gauntlet, part 1. Yes, the bit that goes next to the thumb. We're putting in 3 screws to hold it in place. Nice and easy. And then it starts to come together a little bit like that. So, the Gardener, there we go. Cosmic Caretaker, it was him. You can read all about the Gardener if you desire so. There you go, all of the words there. And then looking at Sal Buscema. Constant talent. Another one of the artists or writers. I'm not bothered. There we go. Right, let me have a look at the actual build. Here we go. That tiny bit that goes just next to the thumb. We need 3 screws. They supply a big pack of screws, which I haven't even opened. I've still got 1 left from the previous pack. So I've got 3 there to use for this. I do like that all of the screws are the same. Remember this, the whole back that we've been doing, what we're going to be adding this to. It goes on there like that. I can't see from this side how to put it on. So let's do that from the back anyway. So we've got 1, 2, 3 screw holes and a post that goes in just next to that there. We can line that up and slide that down. Should just fit together. There, is that in? Feels like it's in, it's not moving. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's in. So let's get the screws in and make sure. I get the screws in a bit now, but then I always go back and tighten them all up once the camera stops rolling and I can get the screws into a more comfortable position for applying more force on. They take quite a little bit of effort to get these screws in place properly, hence using a bigger screwdriver than normal on these builds. Make sure you do tighten them all up, because if you don't, then it's going to not hold together properly. You don't want your gauntlet wobbling all over the place, do you? You need your gauntlet to stay where you want it to be. So that is that. Let's get that one tightened down. Now they're all in place. You can tighten down one. There you go. That is nice and secure. The way I just tighten these up without using any oil or anything, if you tighten it down and then go back half a turn or a quarter of a turn, then you can quite often go just that little bit further. It sort of breaks the tension and the thread eases in a little bit. So that is that. I'll get the other 2 screws tightened up, but that is starting to come together quite a lot. And obviously we've got at least this amount to go down the bottom there as well eventually. It really is going to be huge and massively heavy and lighten up as well. Turn it off, push it a little bit harder. Right, that is that. I shall join you soon for another part. I haven't looked at what the next part is, but it's obviously going to be part of the gauntlet. Some part somewhere. There's something about the thumb coming soon, but I think that's not next time. I think there's one more before that. So, I shall see you very shortly. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.